Hello, we need to have a spotted lanternfly permit training as set forth by the Department of Agriculture here in Pennsylvania. So we will record this training for those of you who could not attend. Beginning in September of 2014, the spotted lanternfly was first found and discovered in Berks County. And originally, it appears as if the spotted lanternfly came from Asia, and it was recently introduced to South Korea. This is what the spotted lanternfly looks like. So why is it important? They feed in swarms, particularly in the area of orchards and vineyards and hops and hardwood. So they excrete honeydew. They leave a sooty mold, which is destructive to the trees and the crops. So, as you can see, grapes, apples, peaches, maple trees, blueberries, hops, some vegetables, all are a threat because of these spotted lantern flies. So, couple of interesting tidbits. Pennsylvania is the fifth largest producer of wine grapes. This obviously would be a big deal. Fourth largest producer of apples. Over $100 billion to the Pennsylvania economy is generated through these items that are found in most orchards. Also of interest, we are the number one exporter of hardwoods. $19 billion annually, and threatened by the spotted lanternfly. So the goal of the Department of Agriculture is to safeguard Pennsylvania. We have a quarantined area here highlighted in blue. There are various stages of the spotted lanternfly, from egg larva the whole way up to full-size life. Here's a diagram illustrating the spotted lanternfly life cycle. Again, here's what they look like at various stages. Here are some of the places where they can be found: on your clothing, on tires, so on and so forth. So again, these quarantine restrictions apply to, most notably of interest for us, vehicles within the driver education program. Each vehicle needs to have a permit. You're being trained now. The permits are on their way. I say this in all seriousness. If for any reason you're pulled over, please let the officer know that you have been trained regarding the spotted lanternfly. Otherwise, there could be a fine of $300 for each car and up to $20,000 for the organization. It's a big deal, so please let them know that you have indeed been trained. If you see one, kill one. Don't park under trees or leave your vehicles open if you can avoid it. Again, if you see one, kill one. And if you see egg masses on a tree, try to scrape them off and put them in a bag of rubbing alcohol. If you see these spotted lanternflies, please call 1-888-4-BAD-FLY. These spotted lanternflies are attracted to the tree of heaven, and obviously a great threat to our area. So thank you for watching this training. The next time you're at the IU, would you please stop by and sign in if you have not already, so that it can be documented that you received this training. Thank you. Thanks for all you do.